Everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're working on a used pump, and I'm going to be showing you how to care and maintain for all of your X cable plugs and any kind of electrical connector around your pump or your machine. So here we are on the driver's side cabinet, and we're looking at the control panel here. Now, one thing that's good to do periodically is to check to make sure in either your Z, Y, or X connector on this control panel, or your HPC remote unit, or whatever unit you may have. You want to go through kind of periodically, a couple times a year, and just make sure there's no corrosion or moisture in these plugs and these housings. And I'll show you a way that you can clean them out properly and reapply dielectric grease to them. So what you can do with your truck and pump off, you can go ahead and unplug these connectors here. You can take a look inside of them. As you can see, this one's actually fairly clean, but you want to make sure that your seal around the housing on the panel's nice and clean. What you can do is you can grab yourself some electronic cleaner just like this one here, and this is a certain type of cleaner that actually evaporates and doesn't leave moisture on your terminals and protects them as well. So you can take this and you can spray a bunch right in here, right on the connectors. You can do the same right here as well. And then what I like to do is grab a rag and kind of clean that out. And then you can take some dielectric grease, just like this one here, and you can reapply some of that inside the metal leads right here. And what this does is protect any corrosion or moisture from getting into these leads and rusting them out or causing any corrosion or issues like that. So you can take a good amount of dielectric grease there, and we'll put some on here as well, right on top of the pins. We'll kind of use our finger and smear that around in the housing. And same thing here, we'll smear it right into the plugs and pins right there. You can use a rag, clean off the edges, and we can go ahead and plug that one right back in. So you can do that for all of your connectors here. You can do that for your X cable plug on your HPC remote system. You can do that on pretty much any electrical connection on your pump. Maintaining and taking care of your electrical connections is something that will prolong the life of your pump, so it's something to definitely keep on top of. Just make sure whenever you're doing that the power is off on your pump, night switch is hit at the very least, just to make sure that your system's totally de-energized and you don't cause a short or anything like that. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.